How much should you actually spend on a riding lawnmower or tractor? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Aventronic Riding Lawnmower Cover. Let's kick things off with the Aventronic Riding Lawnmower Cover. Priced at $25.99, this cover caught my eye with its heavy-duty 420D polyester material. If you want reliable protection for your mower, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This cover fits decks up to 54 inches, making it compatible with brands like Toro, Craftsman, and John Deere. It's waterproof, can withstand up to 8 inches of rain, and features reinforced vents to prevent condensation buildup. Plus, it can endure winds of up to 45 miles per hour, which is crucial if you live in a windy area. The double-stitched seams and polyurethane coating extend its lifespan, ensuring your mower stays dry and protected. Now, some people complained that it may not fit some models perfectly. Here's the thing though, this cover is designed to be universal. Just measure your mower to ensure a snug fit and you should be good to go. This is perfect for you if you want to protect your investment from the elements without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you have a very specific model that might not fit. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if the universal fit of the Aventronic cover bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with even more durability. Product number 2, American Lawnmower 120414. At $72, this manual push reel mower is an interesting option that caught my attention for its eco-friendly design. If you want a simple, no-fuss way to keep your small lawn tidy, this is worth a serious look. It features a 14-inch cutting width and a lightweight design at only 19 pounds, making it super easy to maneuver. The 4-blade reel cuts grass without damaging it, so it's perfect for maintaining a healthy lawn. Plus, it has an adjustable height, letting you cut grass between 0.5 to 1.75 inches tall. Here's why this matters for you. Using a manual mower means no gas, no noise, and zero pollution, which is a huge plus for the environment. Now, some people found the cutting effectiveness on taller grass to be less than ideal. Here's the thing though, if you keep up with mowing regularly, this will serve you just fine. It's all about keeping that grass trimmed. This is perfect for you if you have a small lawn and want a low-maintenance, eco-friendly option. Skip this one if your yard is bigger or tends to get overgrown. It's a solid choice for the price if you value simplicity. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a cover that fits perfectly.
Product number 3, Indeed Buy Riding Lawnmower Cover. Let's talk about the Indeed Buy Riding Lawnmower Cover, priced at $29.97. This caught my attention with its durable 420D Oxford cloth. If you want a reliable cover that offers great protection, this is worth a serious look. This cover is designed to fit most riding lawnmowers and offers maximum waterproof protection thanks to its seamless stitching and polyurethane coating. The elastic hem ensures it stays snug, even in windy conditions, which is crucial for keeping your mower safe from the elements. It's easy to store and comes with a bag, making it very convenient. Here's why this matters for you. It protects your mower from harsh weather, prolonging its lifespan and saving you money in the long run. Now, some users mentioned the cover could be a bit tricky to put on initially. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's straightforward, and the protection it offers is definitely worth that slight learning curve. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable cover without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you need something ultra-specific for a rare model. For just under $30, it delivers great value. Now, if you're looking for something even more heavy-duty, wait until you hear about the next one.
Product number 4, Zetum Riding Lawnmower Cover. The list is the Zetum Riding Lawnmower Cover, retailing for $31.44. What grabbed my attention is its heavy-duty 600D Oxford cloth. If you want premium protection, this is worth a serious look. This cover fits most riding mowers and is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions. Its PU coating makes it highly waterproof, while the breathable fabric prevents moisture buildup. You won't have to worry about your mower getting damaged by sunlight, rain, or even bird droppings. The secure buckles ensure it stays in place, which is essential during stormy weather. Here's why this matters. It offers long-lasting protection that can keep your mower looking like new for years. Now, some users have pointed out that it can be a bit bulky to store. Here's the thing though, Considering the level of protection it provides, that bulkiness is a small price to pay for peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you live in an area with extreme weather and need something that can handle it. Skip this one if you have limited storage space for the cover. At this price, it's a solid investment for serious protection. Alright, that was an impressive option. But if you're still looking for something more budget-friendly, the last one on my list is definitely worth considering.
Product number 5, Rimwig Riding Lawnmower Cover. Let's discuss the Rimwig Riding Lawnmower Cover, coming in at $21.99. This caught my eye with its affordable price and decent protection. If you want something budget-friendly without sacrificing too much quality, this is worth a serious look. The Rimwig cover fits mowers up to 54 inches and is designed with strong elastic straps to keep it firmly in place, even during windy conditions. Its double-stitch seams and waterproof material provide reliable protection against rain and snow. Here's why this matters. You want to keep your mower dry and free from rust or corrosion, and this cover does just that. Now, some reviews mentioned issues with durability over time. Here's the thing though, if you're using it primarily for seasonal storage, it should serve you well without any problems. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a cost-effective way to protect your mower. Skip this one if you need a cover for year-round outdoor use. Honestly, it's a great value for the price. In conclusion, we've looked at 5 solid options for riding lawnmower covers, from the durable Eventronic to the budget-friendly Rimwig. Each has its strengths, so it really depends on what you need.
We've looked at 5 solid options for riding lawnmower covers: the Eventronic for durability, the American Lawnmower 120414 for simplicity, the Indeed Buy for overall protection, the ZM for heavy-duty needs, and the Rimwig for budget-conscious buyers. Each has its strengths, so it really depends on what you need.